Let me share a story of one of the worst keyboard I have ever purchased.
Oh, hi. So back in the end of 2017, I was looking for a good mechanical keyboard, and as usual I researched a lot of models which were available in India. Generally, as a buyer, I always believe that a product which would have more warranty is going to be more reliable. So after some hunting, I zeroed down two models. One was Logitech and the other one was some Corsair model. So a good option which came into my budget was from Logitech G413. It had 2 years of warranty, and reading some of the general reviews online, it made me believe that it's going to be a great keyboard. So I researched more and I came across this video from Linus where he toured the factory. These keyboards have RomerG switches. So Linus toured the factory and he showed how much work goes into making these RomerG switches which Omron makes. So I believed him. It is not completely his fault. The whole factory looked so impressive. Everything was being done mostly automated, and if you go through his video you'll know what I'm saying. Not that these keyboards only had a unique switch, which is Logitech's own, the RomerG switches, but it also have a backup actuator, a backup sensor. So if in case your primary sensor, your primary actuator dies on the keyboard, the key can immediately take the backup key as its primary key, and hence making the life of the keyboard longer. So I believed in this and I totally bought the keyboard. I had purchased it around November or December 2017, and what happens in May? Some of the keys on the keyboard stopped working. Some of them were typing more than I intended to, and some of them didn't work at all. So I was in a kind of shock, but I know that every electric or mechanical or whatever product is out there, they all have a failure ratio. So I thought maybe I was in a bit of bad luck and that's why this happened. I contacted the service center, I went there, I gave my keyboard. They told me that they will give me a refund as they don't have this in their stock. I was quite surprised because the keyboard was easily available on Amazon India or Flipkart, or even on Paytm Mall. I believed them. I said, okay, it's fine. I'll take the refund. I might just buy another keyboard. I took the case very casually back then. So after 2 days, they called me up and they told me that they have received a new keyboard. So I was a bit surprised. But anyways, I was taking the whole case casually. So I went there and took the new keyboard. So this was around May of 2018. So in December of 2018, this new keyboard which came out of the box, which was opened right in front of me at the service center, again exhibited the same problems. Just think on this. What is the probability of a single keyboard getting replaced twice and exhibiting the same problems, and they're under almost same tenure of duration? So I now believe that this keyboard is something which has a serious problem in it, which obviously even the quality assurance team of the Logitech couldn't check while it was shipping, because it's not an immediate problem. It comes around 6 months. Maybe I'm a special case and maybe I've just faced these problems, but I have just thought to make this video so to let you guys know that you can also experience the same thing. So now I've contacted them on social media, I've emailed them, and a person from Logitech calls me and he tells me that I will get the refund. So when I ask them when will I get the refund, he tells me it can be around 15 to 21 days. I think that's a bit much, but as I've already shared, I have no other option but to accept it. So I've accepted it and I hope I receive the refund soon. You guys do the maths, that if the same keyboard is giving me problems in approximately 6 months, and the same problems, there must be some problem with the keyboard, or at least this model of the keyboard, or at least this batch of the keyboard. I'm not sure if even it could be the same batch, because the new keyboard I received as in my warranty must be of different frigging batch, because I took it after 6 to 7 months of usage of my previous keyboard. And recently my old Logitech G413 mouse died. It served its life. Based on this experience, the new mouse I got was not from Logitech. I went out and bought the SteelSeries mouse. I hope my other Logitech products don't die so fast. That's all for today. Mewbot out.